Here are a few techniques for embedding video and blog content in an email newsletter created with the RSVP mailer tool in RSVP Maker. Now, if I just go to add new, I get an email with a little bit of formatting. So this one I have set a background color and also a background image. So that's just with a blank email. But here's one I got started on previously. I'm going to embed a little bit of video content. This is a demo of another plugin that I worked on that pulls in Google Docs content to become the basis of a blog post. So I just paste in the YouTube URL the same way that you would if you were adding video to a blog post, and maybe add a little bit of a description here. And when I'm ready to share this, I publish it just as if I was publishing a blog post, but it's going to show up not in the blog post template, but in this special email preview template. So this is on my website, but it's designed for sending out email. And I can either send a test to myself, or I could also send it out to a whole list of hundreds or even thousands of people. Although if you're sending to large lists, I recommend that you use the integration with Postmark that I introduced recently. Otherwise, you're likely to wind up on spam blacklists. They help you manage some of that stuff. So there you see how it landed in my email inbox. So it's substituting in the email template a still image instead of the video embed, which wouldn't work in an email. Another thing I can do is I can take an existing blog post and go to New and to copy the content of that entire blog post into my email template. So this is another website for Toastmasters clubs and districts. And so I'm taking that entire blog post and making it into an email message. So you can use the blog post to perfect your content, and you want it to be available on the blog too, but then send out an email version of it, which could be a little bit different. It could be tweaked. Yet another technique is I can start with a blank message. So just nothing in the content. And here I'm going to use a component. There is a latest post component, or latest post in a specific category component. You know, there are lots of these, and the one that you like may work fine in this scenario, but you're going to need to test it first. This one I've tested, so I can pull in this category and it'll grab the latest post, or I can set it to do several different posts in this category of workshop replays. I could also just pick a single post, but the idea here is we're just giving a little teaser of the post, an excerpt, the headline, the featured image if there is one, and then read the rest on the blog, which may be what you want to do if part of your purpose is to bring people into the blog to see all the wonderful things that you offer.